Welcome back to my channel Digital Scout. Today I am going to discuss with you about an important app, that is Zodo. It is nothing but PDF editor and reader. So why it is so important? Because you can edit any PDF document effortlessly, elegantly, powerfully, but so simply by this app. So no one app is so powerful and so easy to understand and effective in my opinion. So I'll show you how to use with this app. Now actually it is good for the teachers or educators, those who can edit any documents for the student and highlight any portion, cut any portion, write down any answer for the student. So it can ease your work if you use Zodo. Any other app is not so much easy. So let's get started with this app. Play Store, and you have to type here Zodo and then search for it. You can see this one, Zodo PDF reader and editor, most powerful in my opinion. You can edit like a pro, you can annotate any PDF file like a pro. Already I have installed it, so open it. Now you can see so many options. Welcome to Zodo. Display documents, annotate your documents. It is powerful editing, effortless management, easy file access, and grant options. So now grant it, allow, and you have to find it out which PDF documents do you want to edit or annotate. Open it, this one you can see. Now change one mode, view mode. You can change the view mode here. So it is vertical scrolling. I am enabling vertical scrolling, then okay. And if you want to edit this page, actually this is nothing but an ebook. So this ebook you have to edit, so that's why go to edit mode. Okay, now you can see so many on-screen toolbar is always available and you can edit the file. So first of all zoom it. So okay, now it is available. Now you can see this one, the chapter is on hit. So if any teacher, if he want to edit it, any portions for the student which is necessary, it is important, if he want to highlight it, it can be done. So suppose for highlighting option, this option, text highlight tool. So click it and then just highlight it. It is so easy. You can see, suppose these things are very important for the students, so you can do that. Okay, so I have highlighted this portion. You can again, if you have done any mistake, you can change it, edit it. You can see, suppose you want to change the style of any style. Suppose this one you want to do, this color you want to choose, then choose it. Okay, I have done here. If you delete it, you can also delete the portion. So now again scroll down. Suppose if you want to write anything here, suppose if you indicate this tab is hot tab, this is cold tab, then what to do? Then right here, suppose you can do that by this arrow, line tool. Use the line tool and use here arrow. So if you want to just use arrow, then click here, choose arrow, and if you want to take green arrow, black arrow, all colors are available here. Now I am choosing for the red arrow and just right here, so this one. So if you see, this is the thickness of the arrow, you have to just decrease, then you can do that. Just thickness you can decrease in this way. I have thickness decrease and then go. You can see, yes. Or if you change here, yes. So you can do that. This one, delete it, and then yes. If you write here, suppose this tab is hot tab, so you have to write that. If you want to write anything, then this toolbar you have to use. This is free text tool. So right here, suppose this is hot water, hot container. So if you want to write hot container, so then okay, so this is hot container. If you change the color of this text, then you can do that. So many color options are available. Suppose green I have chosen, Now this is hot container. So if you want to do this is cold container, you can write that. Okay, now go forward. So one thing keep in mind, why it is so necessary, why I have told is so powerful. For other type of editor, so many options are not available in a single in the on-screen mode, which is available easily available in the screen. And suppose if you edit, I have edited this one, then each and every edit you have to save, and each and every toolbox you have to enter and then close it. Then you have to navigate. You can see this pen is known as the pen tool. So you can easily, so what I have done, that can be automatically saved in this document. Then scroll it easily. I can scroll it. Suppose one thing, if you just, this is called rectangle tool. Just click it. What to do? Rectangle tool, you can just do as oval also. So oval, if you border, if you want to edit the border, you can do that. Any color of the border you can change. Okay, and then you can thickness, you can also change. So many options are there. Opacity you can change. Okay, you can see it is deep. Okay, now so do it in the rectangular portion. That will be good for, and change the color here also. Now start from here, you can do that. Yes, if you want to underline anything, suppose the process by which the heat is, then do that in this way. The process is called conduction up to this. Okay, I have done this. Okay, so you can edit anything very effortlessly, very easily, just applying this tool, which is available all the time on the screen, and each and every edit will be automatically saved in this app. Now go to the chapter 8 exercise. I will show you one thing by writing this. Suppose here, zoom it. You can see the hotness of an object is determined by its dash. So you have to write the answer for the student. Then what to do? Then write here this one. Suppose temperature. Your answer will be temperature. So temperature, done, save. So you can do that. Temperature is measured in degree centigrade. So write here centigrade. You can do that. If you want to change the color, that can be done. Suppose color can be changed to, suppose this one. So centigrade. Yes, done. So in this way you can do that. So land breeze, suppose match, you can do the match for the land breeze blows during at the night, land breeze night. So you can just use the arrow, and our arrow color you can change here, color change, you can change the arrow. Okay, now do that, land breeze blows during night. Okay, in this way you can do for the student. You can change the color options for the pen also. Here you can see color pen. Suppose black pen I have chosen here. Suppose 10 we have done. Okay, 11 we have done. Okay, then tick here. Then copper, anything you want to underline. If you want to, just you can do that in this way. You can see any options, which is the options, correct options you can choose here in between. Suppose more than 50 degree but less than 80 degree. So this is the Zoho app. If you like the app, if you like the presentation, don't forget to leave a comment and like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.